Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and we're here to talk about the new dashcam we bought. A D07 4K dashcam. Comes from Wolfbox. So let's get started. So when you first order it, comes in this box. Tells you the information, it's 4K. Has a G sensor, so if someone hits the car, it saves the recording. Has dual recording, so in the rear as well, and GPS, so you can find your car, and loop recording. You hook it to your phone, and it works for Android and iOS app. So when you get it, it comes in this box, and so like any person, you open the box. There you go, it's in the box, and if I can open it. And don't worry, there's no dash cam in there, so it might look like I'm ruining it, but don't worry. How do I open this? Oh. And yay, the new dash cam. Now, I just lost a piece. That's always good when you get a box. Get some stuff inside. Rubbish, because you need that. And so you get all sticky pads and stuff to clean, and then and then you get instructions, how to set it up, manual, and then let's say you already hook it in, then we haven't sorted out the wires. You get a little thing to like help you connect it. So then when you start it up, there you go. Now it's recording from the back and the front. Now I'm going to take you through how to use it. So if you click this middle button here, it takes you to like video playback. Now if you go to settings, you can go resolution, so you can choose which one. We just have it on this one. You can choose if you want to have audio on or off. We just have it on. Data snap, loop, G sensor. So if you have it on high, it'll probably go off all the time, so just have it on about medium. Now got speed. Oh, sorry, wrong one. So GDA speed units. So we have it in kilometers. You can change it to miles. GPS information, stuff like that. Reflip camera, mirror flip, app. So yeah, and then when you click Wi-Fi, you turn it on. Shows the password on the screen. Then you just have to get the app, put the password in, then you go connect it, and you can see it live. Language, so we're English, if you can understand me. Dates and time, that will always be good in case something happens and you show someone, then they know the time it happened. Time zone. Parking, where when you park, if someone reverses into you or someone's touching your car, your camera will go on and save it. It's got just all information, things like that. Just click home to go back, and then you can go like playback, and you can go like to like see playbacks. You can go to video, and just gives you all the information. And the time's not correct on ours, but yeah, and you can change it, so if you click home, have the rear and the front, and the front is a little screen, or you can have it just the front, showing the front, or you can show just the back, or you can show the direction you're pointing, like north, south, east and west, or you can just have it like that, like we have. Now, yeah, you get a little orange thing, and you have to buy a SD card. So it won't work until you buy a SD card or an alarm go off, as I learnt when I was putting it together. I have no idea where the little orange clip shape object is. Somewhere, but you get it, and I don't think it's in here. You get it, and you put it through your wherever you want to put it, ceiling. Then this dash cam is actually made for cars that have a boot, but we don't have a boot, so we just stuck it there, and then so you can see it. It's just going through there, but we'll eventually sort it out. So. And if you haven't seen, go check out my channel called Andyman Dashcam. That's ANDYM4N1 and then Dashcam. Go check that out. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video and learnt about how to use the Dashcam. And see you in the next one.